let's start our feet exercise. The first exercise is going to be alternative movements. So we're going to stay sideways, and then we're going to bend to the ball, point, ball, heel. Ball, toe, ball, heel. Ball, toe, ball, heel. Ball, toe, ball, heel. So this process we are repeating for 45 seconds, and try to apply gentle pressure for your ankle and try to push your ankle as high as you can. And alternate the legs. Alright, we are done with this exercise. So the next exercise is a foot circle. So we're gonna stay in one leg and just rotate one foot. So this exercise is great for your balance and also to warm up your ankles. So you're also welcome to do those exercises just with barefoot or in your socks, because on the heel sometimes it's really challenging to maintain the balance. So your standing leg gonna burn a little, but in the meantime we are warming up the ankle of the other leg, the working leg. Circle it outside. Just 10 more seconds. Alright, and we're done. Good job. Shake it out. So we're going to do the same with another foot, and again make sure with this standing leg you keeping your balance. So if you feel shaky and start falling the outside, apply some pressure in here so you have that kind of support and opposition. So if you want to fall outside, press inward. That will compensate that kind of energy and you will be much more balanced. And circles with the working leg ankles. Just circle it and circle. Great job. We're pointing it and flexing. Point and flexing on the top of the circle and pointing on the other half. Alright, and we're done. Shake it out. So the next exercise is a relevé. So we're gonna lift and push ourselves down. Lift and go down. So from the side view, it's a lift on the balls of the feet and putting ourselves down. So the goal is to make it as high as you can in the ankles and very slowly with a control pull yourself down. So the goal is to go quick up and with a control down, quick up and control down. So you don't want to do quick and just drop like this, right? So you go up and with a control down. And from the front view, you want to see no gaps between your feet and your ankles in particular. So a lot of people have this kind of problem. So you don't want to have that gap. So you just lift and slowly go down. Lift, slowly go down. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Shake it out. So the next exercise we're going to do, find yourself on one foot and the other leg, bring it together in a turnout V letter position. So the next what we do is a twist in action. And here your foot goes from ball to the heel on the standing leg and to the pointed high ankle on another foot. So it's similar to the relevé, but here we're alternating the legs and we go to the very extreme pointed position on the working leg and alternating ourselves with the heel pressure down with the standing leg. And also I'm slightly twisting my feet. So as you can see, they change in the direction like a 45-degree rotation. So we'll go slightly pivoting. So it's also a great skill to learn how to pivot our feet. All right, shake it out. Just release. So the next exercise we're going to do is a relevé on one foot. So find yourself again on one foot only, so the weight completely on one leg, so the other leg is free, and we're gonna lift just on one leg, and the other leg is just resting in the pointed position. And again, the challenge here that you have to maintain your balance, of course, and also learn how to build that strength on your foot. So that's the main issue why people losing the balance, because they don't have enough strength in their feet muscles. So when you go up, you want to control that lowering. So that's the best quality, because if you go up quickly and just drop without any control down, it means you don't have enough strength. And you have to improve it, and your balance will be improved dramatically as well. All right, shake it out, relax a little bit, and switch to another leg. So we're going to do the same exactly exercise on another side for 45 seconds. So we go up and down, up and down. Again, my other leg is just remaining to be kind of the same all the time. It's just beautifully pointed and resting aside, and I'm kind of gluing my working leg towards the standing leg. So I'm going to go quickly up and slowly down, up, down, up, down. So it's very important to have that control, as I said, because that's what actually determines how strong your muscles are. And actually for now, let's say if you experience a lot of shake and no balance, you can use your hand and some chair, let's say put the chair next to you and hold the chair to help yourself with the balance a little bit. All right, we're resting for 15 seconds, and then we're going to do the next exercise. So we find ourselves on one leg, and another leg is to the side and extremely pointed. So the next what we're going to do, we do ball, then heel, ball, toe, ball, heel, ball, toe, ball, heel. It's relatively simple exercise, but the hardest part is to actually showcase that ball position before you place in your heel. Like this, you will really sense the ankle work. So you want to have that very strong sensation in the ball position, high relevé position, then point, not just heel and point. A lot of people, they skip that middle kind of part and they go right on the toe and skipping the ball, go to the heel. So what we're learning here is that three kind of step process. Switch your leg and point another leg. Again, from the high point, you point in your ankle as high as you can. You go ball, then you go heel, then you go ball, then you go toe, ball, heel, ball, toe. And when I do this exercise, again, it's hard to tell you many things because it's quite distracting. But one of the tips also, I'm squeezing my inner thighs. So it's not just the footwork, it's also activating here. When I'm lowering my heel, I'm squeezing inner thighs of both legs. I'm activating them. That's very important to do also. So here, ball, heel down, ball, toe, ball, heel, and make sure when you do the point here, you're not sinking outside, your pressure remaining still inward towards the big toe. All right, shake it out. Great job. So we're gonna do the same actually exercise, but we're gonna do it in the air. So instead of putting my heel down, I will do ball in here, flex, ball, point, mini ball, and complete flex is like a heel action. Mini ball and point. So we go ball, heel, ball, toe, basically the same concept like we did before, just in the air. And it's also going to be quite challenging for your standing leg, and also it will teach you how to separate that. You see that kind of ball position from the flex, ball from the toe, because it's three completely different phases which our foot usually goes through. Relax, All right, 45 seconds over. So we're gonna do the same exactly thing to another leg. So again, we start with a point and then we go ball, flex, ball, complete point, ball, flex, ball, point. Again, it's this joints mobility in the fingers is very important. So you have that little ball here, so the ankle flexes, the toes not flexed, then the toe, just the toes flex, then the full ankle flex. So that's how the actual professional dancers, they use their feet. It's not just heel and toe, it's this ball transition, a lot of ball action, a lot of here strength. In the meantime, your ankle when you do ball is still very high. So like this, you have that beauty of high ankle and a lot of control with the flow when you dance. So it's very important exercise. So shake out just a few more seconds, relax. All right. So the next one we're gonna